Hi guys, Becki-licious here. Today we're going to make a fun treat in the kitchen. But first, it started snowing. Oh my goodness. Doesn't that look pretty? What do you think, Sam? You want to go play in the snow? Yep, Sam says. So let's do this super easy treat recipe that I found. It's literally 3 ingredients. That's what I loved about it. So let's get started doing it. Okay, so these are peanut butter cereal bites, and it is literally peanut butter, honey, and then Honey Nut Cheerios. Super simple. So we're going to get started. Let's pour in our peanut butter. But while I'm taking care of this little thing, why don't you guys like and subscribe, share with your friends, click on the link tree for sure. All right, so we're going to get all this peanut butter, because I don't know about you, but I love peanut butter. I prefer crunchy, but nobody else in my household seems to like crunchy, so I've always just had to have creamy. So, story of my life, that's okay. Now we're going to put in the honey. Oh gosh, doesn't that look good? Yummy, yummy, yummy. All right. So these are going to go into the microwave for just barely a minute, okay? And then we're going to get it all stirred up. So it should be super, super easy. In we go. I even have helpers today. Can you see? All right. We've got this all microwaved up. All right. Come on, Chloe, let's go get this all whipped up. So what intrigued me about this is, I don't know about you, but I mean, when I was a kid, my mom used to make peanut butter and honey sandwiches. And that's why this kind of intrigued me, because I love peanut butter and honey sandwiches. So we're going to get this all mixed up together, okay? All right, we've got this all smooth. Now we are going to pour in our Honey Nut Cheerios. We need about 3 cups or so, give or take, roundabouts. And let's get these all, and then it's all, just mixing it all up is all we're doing. We want it all coated. All right, we've got this all whipped up. Now we're just going to take, and you can kind of use your own judgment, because these, I figured these would be like really great, like little snacks to have around the house, you know, for the kids or even the big kids. And so yeah, you can kind of do your own size. I wondered if you could even make it into like a bar situation, a whole pan, and then cut them. That might be an interesting idea too. But all right, so we're going to get these all done up, and then we'll see how they set up, okay? It's sure still coming down. Oh my goodness. Chloe, we're not playing in the snow anymore. Come on. Come on. We got to go. All right. It's time to check on our peanut butter cereal bites that we made earlier. Okay, so these have been sitting for a little while now. I'm curious to know at what point, I mean, they're still, you can tell I mean, you could pop one of these in your mouth right now and eat it, but they're still a little on the tacky side. So I'm curious to see if they are going to harden up at any time, or if this is just how the recipe is. I don't know, but they look good. They taste good. So, but they're a little on the sticky side. So, oh well, that's what we experiment in the kitchen for, right? We find all these things out. So there you go. So thanks for joining me on another fun adventure in the snow. And I look forward to seeing you next time, okay? Bye.